This perfect roast turkey looks slow and homemade, but it can be made at factory speed.
Behind me, this line doesn't stop. If timing slips, thousands of turkeys can be affected.
So how do they season, roast, chill, and seal every bird without slowing down?
It starts with temperature, because one warm spot is all it takes to create a safety risk.
That's why entry is strict. Sanitized booths, washed hands, and controlled clean zones.
Refrigerated trucks deliver non-stop, and every shipment is checked before it touches the main line.
Once the belt starts, everything becomes a moving system. Each station depends on the last. Sensors measure placement and size, so seasoning and cooking hit the same targets every time. Next comes flavor. Brine is mixed in giant batches, so every turkey tastes the same. Many factories inject that brine deep inside, because surface seasoning alone can't reach the center. That brine doesn't touch open air. It's filtered, pumped through sealed lines, and kept perfectly clean. Every cycle is measured, dose, depth, timing, so each turkey gets the same moisture boost. Next, tumblers roll the birds gently, spreading seasoning evenly without tearing the skin.
Then a controlled spice fog coats the surface, enough for flavor, reorganization not enough to clump.
Before roasting, the bird is shaped the same way every time, so heat reaches every part evenly. Each tray is weighed in motion, because weight determines cook time, yield, and consistency.
Quality checks happen constantly, catching problems early before they multiply down the line. Even traffic flow is engineered, merging belts like a zipper so the oven never gets starved. This staging zone stabilizes the process, keeping spacing perfect right before the heat hits.
Now the real transformation begins. Industrial roasting, where airflow and heat do precision work. Inside the oven, it's not just heat. It's controlled airflow, pushing hot air across every tray. Those fans eliminate hot and cold spots, so one turkey doesn't cook faster than the next.
This is where the color happens. Fat renders, moisture flashes off, and the skin starts to bronze.
Some lines add a light mist during roasting, helping surface moisture and building an even finish.
They don't guess doneness. Probes spot check internal temperature while the belt keeps moving.
Operators tune heat zones and belt speed in real time, keeping every batch inside strict limits.
When the turkeys exit, they're fully cooked, and the clock starts on cooling immediately.
A brief rest lets juices settle, helping the meat stay tender instead of drying out. Then they hit rapid chilling, fast airflow and cold temps that pull heat out quickly and safely. Fast cooling reduces time in the danger zone, protecting both shelf life and food safety.
Cooling isn't optional. Random packs are probed to confirm the core temperature is dropping safely.
Here the line splits. Some birds stay whole, while others are sent for slicing and portion packs. Whole turkeys are handled gently because the final shape matters for sealing and presentation. On the slicing lane, the bird is locked into a cradle, so cuts stay uniform and safe.
Uniform slices aren't just prettier, they heat evenly, and every pack feels identical to customers.
Portioning systems match weight targets fast, so packs stay consistent without slowing the belt. If the product includes gravy, it's dosed precisely. Too much leaks, too little disappoints. Before sealing, trays are centered perfectly.
because a tine misalignment can ruin the seal. Vacuum sealing pulls out air, tightens the film, and helps protect freshness during transport. Machines check the seal in seconds. If it's imperfect, that pack is removed immediately.
Next is metal detection, designed to catch tiny fragments before anything leaves the factory.
Many facilities add X-ray scanning too, checking for dense contamination and hidden packaging defects.
Leak tests confirm the package is airtight, because one tiny leak can shorten shelf life.
Each pack is coded for traceability, so every batch can be tracked from plant to store.
Then packs are boxed in tight patterns that prevent crushing and movement during shipping. Case tapers seal boxes fast, keeping the packaging stage from becoming a bottleneck. Boxes are weighed too, so inventory stays accurate and shipments match the exact specification. Robots stack pallets with perfect patterns, maximizing stability and reducing damage in transit. Stretch wrap locks the entire pallet together, so boxes can't shift when forklifts accelerate or stop. Finally, pallets return to cold storage, ready for trucks and distribution on a tight schedule.
This looks calm, but it's a giant cold vault, holding thousands of finished turkeys at safe temperatures.
Before shipping, pallets are scanned and verified so the right products go to the right route.
Everything is staged like an airport, each pallet queued to match an exact truck schedule.
Loading happens fast, but carefully, because spacing affects airflow inside the trailer. Pallets are aligned tightly to prevent shifting, while still leaving room for cold air to circulate. Once sealed, that trailer becomes a moving refrigerator, protecting the product all the way to delivery.
While shipping starts, the lab keeps testing, checking safety markers and product consistency every day.
These tests confirm the plant's controls are working, so problems are caught long before customers see them.
And when a run ends, the factory doesn't rest. Sanitation begins immediately.
Foam breaks down fats and residue, so microbes have nowhere to hide on the equipment.
Corners and seams get special attention because that's where buildup forms if cleaning is rushed.
After cleaning, sanitizer is applied across contact surfaces to reduce microbial risk before restart.
Then the line is inspected and test run, because one loose guard can cause a shutdown later.
Once cleared, production restarts, turning raw deliveries into finished roast turkey with non-stop rhythm. What you're seeing is a chain, each step feeding the next, built for speed without sacrificing control. The goal is repeatable results. Same color, same texture, and the same moisture in every batch. A perfect seal matters because it protects freshness, prevents leaks, and keeps the product safe.
Multiple inspection steps are layered together, so issues are caught before boxes ever get packed.
After that, it's all about protection, boxing, sealing, and preparing for long-distance cold transport.
Palletizing and wrapping turn hundreds of packs into a single secure load that can travel safely. Forklifts move these loads like clockwork, keeping them cold and ready for outbound dispatch. And just like that, the finished product leaves the plant, headed towards stores and kitchens. From strict hygiene to roasting and chilling, every step is designed to keep quality consistent. Seasoning is engineered, heat is controlled, cooling is rapid, and packaging is checked again and again. Even with automation, trained workers keep watch because small mistakes become big problems at scale.
That's the real secret of mass production. Thousands of tiny controls working together like one machine.
If you want more factory process videos like this, tell me what we should break down next.